The Travelpro Platinum Elite Softside Underseater is a compact and lightweight carry-on with considered compartments for organisation. Measuring 18 by 14 by 7 inches, this case will fit underneath the seat in front of you on many airplanes and weighs 6.9 pounds. This softside carry-on is made from high-density nylon fabric with a Duragard coating that resists stains and abrasions. There's a pocket on the side of the bag to store a power bank and a USB port on the back of the case for easy charging. There's also a built-in ID holder. 3 exterior pockets provide quick access to your belongings, including your travel documents or tech. The telescopic handle retracts inside the case, so it does take up a little of the packing space inside the main compartment. The case has top and side carry handles that are useful for lifting it in and out of the overhead compartment. However, there's no bottom handle. The handles and other accents are made from soft, genuine leather. The telescoping handle is adjustable to 4 heights using the button on the handle. It was smooth and sturdy to operate. The 2 ball bearing wheels are recessed for extra protection and are smooth rolling. This rollaboard case manoeuvres well and has 2 luggage feet to stand the bag upright. There's a guard at the bottom to protect the base of the bag. The case has a top opening lid for easy access with 1 main packing compartment. There's a deluxe compression system to hold your clothes in place. This also has 2 zippered mesh pockets to stash small items. There's an accessories pocket along the spine of the case, and the case includes a removable toiletry bag. The lid pocket has additional storage for small and flat items. The zipper pulls are easy to grip and interlace on the main compartment to attach your own luggage lock. The black zips were smooth running, but the silver metal zips were a little stiff. Overall, the Travelpro Platinum Elite Softside Rollerboard is a smart little bag with hard-wearing handles and wheels and stylish leather accents. To complete the set, there's also a 20 or 21-inch carry-on, medium and large checked suitcases available in the Travelpro Platinum Elite Softside collection.